That's Daddy's stocking. You want to give that to Daddy?
No, I need it. I hold it.
You want to help Daddy open it?
Yes. I do it.
We have
Open
to employ
it.
him as Santa's helper. Open all the presents for them.
He's good at it.
Wow, what fancy underpants from Old Navy. For toddlers. Right, that's a gift. Pretty. Do they have protective bottoms? We should see, huh? Huh?
Working hard at that, huh?
Mommy's too good at rapping.
Santa, you mean?
Right.